So the other day I was scrolling on my phone and I saw a statistic that stood out to me. It said that 80% of e-commerce businesses end up becoming a failure. With such a high percentage of e-commerce businesses actually failing, and all these people on social media flexing exotic cars and lavish lifestyles that run e-commerce businesses, I wanted to make a video on why so many e-commerce businesses fail and how to make sure that you don't end up becoming part of that statistic. What's going on, guys? Joe Baravecchio here. I'm back at it with another video. Today we're going to be going into one trick that could end up saving your e-commerce business from failing. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment what you want to see next, and subscribe. I'm going to be posting videos, like you guys know, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so be sure to check those out when they come out. So make sure that you are subscribed so you know exactly when they come out, so you don't want to miss this content. So now that we know that 80% of e-commerce businesses fail, what is one thing that you can do to make sure that your business does not become part of that 80% failure statistic? The solution can be solved in one word, and that would be consistency. Consistency is the absolute key to any business, specifically e-commerce, and I cannot stress this enough. When you decide that you want to start something, whether that be Amazon, eBay, Amazon FBA, Shopify, Etsy, I don't care what it is. When you want to start something, a YouTube channel, a personal brand, whatever that is, the one word that can make sure that you have the best chance at success is consistency. Every single day you need to be working on that. And this is why people fail, and I've seen a lot of people fail when trying to create their own e-commerce store, brand, YouTube channel, whatever. Consistency is absolutely key. It sounds cliche, everybody says it, but it's so true. When I was first starting out in e-commerce 3 years ago, I was just not consistent. I would say I was going to open up a store, I'd be hot on it for a couple weeks. You know, I'd find a couple products to sell, I'd run a couple advertisements, and then it didn't go so well, and I would drop off of it and be like, well, this doesn't work, I'll try it again soon. But what I never realized what I was really missing until I've kind of thought about it more, and I realized the only difference from what I'm doing now with Amazon and eBay compared to back then with Shopify when I did fail was consistency. When I started Amazon, every day I was on it, and I kept, listing new products, making sure the orders got fulfilled, checking my pricing. Like every day I was consistent and working on it to make my store better. Back then, that whole consistency aspect was missing, frankly. There was days where I would work on it, I'd be hot on it for a couple weeks, like I said, and I just would kind of drop off after a while. If it didn't work right away, I didn't get that instant gratification, I would just stop being consistent and it just would eventually die off. So I really just cannot stress this enough about how important consistency is. Whatever that may be, doing something to make your business 1% better, doing something to make yourself 1% better every single day. Not Monday through Friday, not every other day, 7 days a week. Do something. Whether that be for your Shopify store, research some more about Facebook advertisements and then add a new creative or test a new audience. If that's for Amazon or eBay dropshipping, every single day, update your pricing, check your quantity, make sure everything's in stock, and add more products. I can't stress this enough. You just need to actually work at it, and the only difference between those doing tons of money in e-commerce or even some money and having some success compared to somebody that's not is consistency. Yes, there's different variables in play, like how good your ads are and stuff like that, but if you're working on it every single day and you're constantly getting it a little bit better every day, it's going to eventually get better. That will compound, and if you do 1% every single day, there's a chart for it, and the compounding interest chart shows that it'll stay consistent for a little bit, and you'll get a little bit better, and then it'll jump up, because with that consistency, eventually that growth will come. So it really is that simple, just working on some aspect of the business to make it better every single day. That is super important. Obviously, there's other factors involved like we've talked about. However, that consistency is going to 100% make you on the best track. Anybody who's done anything significant, they were consistent. It didn't just happen overnight. It took time to get from ground zero and then all the way up to where they are now. You have to work at it every single day, and consistency is so key. No matter what it is. It could be going to the gym, it could be just eating better, anything that you want to do, you need to be consistent with, and it's just so key. So I hope this helps you guys, maybe opens up your eyes a little bit. You're not that far off from where you want to be. It just takes being consistent with getting better every day, and you will get there. So if you like this video, please leave a like, comment what you want to see next, message me on Instagram at joseph.b. I'll put it right here. If you have any questions or you just want to talk, I answer all my DMs. I'm really trying to grow this channel and be genuine with you guys, just give you as much information as I can and helpful advice. We're going to do a little bit more of investing. I've started to make a couple investments in the past couple weeks in different things, so I will be going over those on the channel because I also think that's important. So now that we got all that out of the way, I hope this consistency video helped you. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment what you want to see next, and subscribe to the channel. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you're tuned in to see all of those, and I will catch you guys in the next video.